Hello there, how's it going? So I want to quickly use this video to show you how to use a Coalesce function in Spark. Um, there is a Coalesce method that you can use to reduce a number of partition, but there is another Coalesce which is a function that you can apply on a column. Basically, it will search the column for records that are not null. So it will return the first record in the column that make the records in the column that are not null. But if you want to replace a null record with a different data, you can also go for that. So without further ado, let me quickly show you how you can implement it. So I've created this class and I've created a job runner, which is basically running the job. And I've created a Spark session here and I've used I've set a log level to error here. So I'm going to create a data frame that I want to work with. So I'll say var data equal to sequence. So I'll say I'm going to have a fruits record of fruits and their price. So the first one will be ID. So the ID will be in string and the fruit, let me say mango, and the price I'm going to say 20 point. Mango doesn't cost up to £20 in UK. So, and the third one, so let me create this two record for now. So the column is going to be var equal to, so if I say now I need to import Spark session.implicit. Then I need to say var d1 df1 equal to data dot to df. Then I will spread the columns. So I'll say columns. So let me say df1. So if I say select and if I use Coalesce, so Coalesce is being imported from these functions here. So if I say fruit, so where fruit is null, I want to return a new fruit called orange. So the reason we are getting error is because we are providing string. So let's use a literal function, put the string inside the literal. So now if I say the show false, now I will go ahead and run this. So you can see that the Coalesce result is mango and apple, right? So in a case where the record, a record is null, right? It will return whatever we provided as an alternative. So for example, it will return an orange. So if I added another record here, and it's null, and the price is 10. So now if I run this again, another thing we can do is instead of returning this Coalesce here, I can say dot as, then provide an area um, fruits two, fruit two something. So if I run this again now, so here you can see instead of getting null in the third record here, we are getting orange because here we've provided a condition that says if the fruit is null, return orange. Now, another thing we can do is instead of providing a second, an alternative here or an option to return an orange, let's provide nothing and run the code again. So we are not providing an alternative data to return, right? So that is why it's returning the null, which is the actual data that is there. Another thing we can do is we can say um, instead of providing just one column for this Coalesce, right, we can provide two columns. Let's see. The fruit column is null at record number 3. So instead of returning null, it's returning a price as an alternative, right? So that is why we're getting the mango and 10 here. So yeah, that is what I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Have a lovely day and goodbye.